die because you're unrealistic. Now, if you watch that clip, it was like 3 seconds into talking to him that he's like, the car's worth 100 grand. I'm like, all right, homeboy, check yourself, because like, I know what the car's worth. I got one. Everybody knows the deal, right? It's got 48,000 miles. The interior is failing. The outside of it needs body and paint. The most recent one to sell on Bring a Trailer, it was a 31,000 mile car and it sold for $78,000, right? So get the $100,000 thing out of your head, first of all. And second of all, even if somebody wanted to pay $100 for it, it hasn't had the clutch done. It hasn't had the timing belt service done. We need body work and paint, and we need the interior redone. Not to mention numerous other things that might have wrong with it, right? So I brought 40 grand with me, and I was like, you know what? Like, if I can get the car for 40 grand, it's a win, right? I'll take it. I figured get it for 40, put about 10 into it, plus a bunch of my labor, and be into $80,000, $90,000 car for, you know, I don't know, 55-ish, maybe 60. But it's a lot of work, dude. A lot of work. You know what I mean? Painting NSXs is not easy. These things don't come apart easily. Not to mention, once you do all that, it's not an original car, so it's not like you're getting original car value. But that's all besides the point, right? My point really of this video is stop killing cars because you're a pipe dreamer. I've been building cars, like I've had my own shop now for, I don't know, 17 years, 18 years. And over the years, I've seen so many people let good cars go to waste because they're unrealistic. They want too much money for it. They don't think things should cost what they cost. Whatever the reason is, I get it, man. And it's a bummer sometimes because you see good people that just let good cars go to waste because they don't know how it works, you know, or they don't understand the process. But all I'm saying is, like, stop killing cars, man. Let them go. Be realistic. That guy said he turned down 50 or 60,000 for that car. I'm like, bro, if you think it's worth $100,000, you can't buy a $250 car cover for it and park it on the concrete, park it in the driveway. Like, why is it parked halfway out of the driveway on the grass with no car cover? If it really, like, if you know the car is special, you know what I mean? Like, it has value to you. It's been out there for years, apparently. And I'm like, what a bummer, man. Like, do something with the car or let somebody else do something with it. And so frustrating. And I really don't like when people are uncool, man. Like,